English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2, attempt, benefit, challenging. Attempt. Attempt is a noun and a verb. B2 learners usually know attempt. At B2, an attempt refers to the time that a person tries to do something. Here are some examples. This is their second attempt at the Level 3 exam. In his attempt to win at cards, he cheats every time we play. She hopes to make an attempt to climb Mount Everest next year. Benefit. Benefit is a noun and a verb. B2 learners usually know benefit. At B2, to benefit is to help someone or to be helped by someone or something. Here are some examples. He is keen to benefit from his mentor's experience. They benefited from the fresh food that was available. How can we benefit those who are less fortunate than ourselves? Challenging. Challenging is an adjective. B2 learners usually know challenging. Challenging describes something difficult that tests a person's ability or determination. Here are some examples. The IELTS is a very challenging exam. She likes to be involved in challenging projects. He found his situation in Afghanistan to be challenging. Now, write some of your own sentences with attempt, benefit, and challenging. Download the free B2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.